Hello everybody. My name's Ernie. I got a 22 RE Toyota pickup. Let me show you my truck. I just took the motor out of it, 22 RE, and she developed a rod knock. For the life of me, I didn't know what that noise was. I was told it was a timing chain, but I looked inside of the timing chain area, and it wasn't a timing chain. It was my timing chain guides had broken. I've got pieces over here, so you can see them. When I pulled the oil pan out, those pieces were in there. So let me show you what a rod knock is. It looks like I toasted the bearings down in here. For those of you who want to know who's going to hold this, my granddaughter Daisy.
Hello.
So she'll be the camera lady, and I'll show you where the knock is. You got that?
Huh?
All right, putting on my gloves here. This is piston number 1, right here. Try to get closer in here. Right there is good. You see how it's loose in there? Well, this is what I heard when the truck was running, but of course faster. And you can see it. It's just, it's pretty, I kept hearing that when my truck was running. So now we know it's piston number 1 bearings are bad. This is piston number 4. I can barely move number 4. I'll go ahead and spin the crank here and see if we can find anything wrong with piston 2 or 3. Number 2 is real tight, and number 3 is pretty tight also. So we're gonna have to replace some bearings. And of course it's number 1, so for those of you who have a knock in your motor and it sounds like that, you'll know that it shouldn't be that way. So anyway, this is my 22 RE motor, 1994 Toyota. So for those of you who know how to take these things apart, have fun. So I got about 200 wires and hoses I got to put back together, and it looks like it's going to be a jigsaw puzzle. So until the next video, have fun on yours. I know I'm going to have fun on mine. So my grandbaby says goodbye.
Goodbye.
All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.